Oh, hey there. Look what I found, you guys. A 10-disc CD changer. Who knew that was hiding under this passenger seat? For those youngsters watching, that is compact disc. It was very popular in the 80s and 90s, and then eventually beat out by online streaming services. There you go. Bet you didn't know you were gonna learn something today. In case you're wondering what the heck all this mess is about, we are redoing the front area of the RV. Go inside and show them.
Y'all, Eric has been working on this project all day. He ripped out all of the carpet, the chairs, he cleaned it out. It's been a whole thing.
Yeah, there's the carpet over there.
Look at this, y'all. It's so gross. We found this lovely turd underneath there.
We found a turd, not a literal one, luckily.
Well, good morning, adventurers.
Good morning, y'all.
We're back with the old gal.
Here we are.
Yeah, we had fun in Texas, but it is good to be home.
Yes.
It is definitely springtime here, and we are loving it.
We're so excited, you guys. We are working on a very much anticipated project, at least anticipated for us. I guess you guys already know what it is. We're basically rebuilding the front driver's cab area, which we've been putting that off and really haven't even touched it. We've just been looking at it every time we get in the RV, and we're just like, oh, we're gonna have to redo that.
Yeah, you guys have been asking us a lot what we were gonna do, and we had and still kind of have no idea.
But we're gonna figure it out in this video.
We took the chairs out, so there's no turning back.
So let me bring you up to speed with where we are right now. You guys saw that we took the seats out one by one. We ultimately decided to redo the carpet that was up here because it is nasty.
Oh my
you
God.
guys.
We thought we could salvage it. We thought maybe we could clean it. We took it out and looked at it, and oh my God, like there is no salvaging it.
There was a lot of nasty crap underneath the carpet. Layers and layers of nasty ripped up rubber and insulation. The carpet itself was nasty, so we took all that stuff out of there, had to do a lot of cleaning.
Yeah, it was very rusty. Actually, when we took the carpet back, there was still some standing water somehow in the cab area.
We might have spilled that, I don't know.
Maybe, but
not sure.
It's been a very long time since that spilled there, so that wasn't great.
For that rust, we used the crust cutter just to clean up as much of that as we could. We also just kind of scraped it off with steel wool. Luckily, there wasn't really much deep rust that was like rusted out or anything like that, so it was all very salvageable.
Yeah.
I ended up just kind of repainting it with like a Rust-Oleum enamel just to protect the rusty areas that we had cleaned off.
Right.
At that point, we decided to put a layer of soundproofing just to reduce road noise as much as possible. We found this really cool stuff called Kill Mat. It just comes in sheets like this. You cut it to the size that you want, then you peel off the backing, and it kind of conforms to the surface of the cab because it's not really even. I actually may have went overboard with this stuff because a lot of the reviews I read said that it's best to double it up, so I just kind of went buck wild in there.
Yeah. So while he's working on the cab area, I actually might go into the overhead cab and try to finally stain those boards up there. I think it's gonna be a long process.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a very fun job, but
no, but it must be done. And we have our full planks to finish our ceiling with. They've been acclimating for way longer than we anticipated, but they're ready to be stained and primed, and we are gonna get it freaking done.
So we decided we're going to reinstall our own carpet in here. We have picked out some carpet that we feel like is not so light that it's gonna show very many stains, but also kind of looks like it's still maybe from the 70s or 80s.
I think it's gonna be good. I think it's called Coffee Kiss? Is that what it was?
Ooh, a coffee kiss. That actually sounds awful.
Awful.
Who
But I
wants a
love coffee,
kiss?
so maybe the carpet will, but I don't know why that would.
But we've gotten as far as we're gonna get today. I know we said good morning, but it's actually the afternoon. I don't know why we said that.
We've been working, into the afternoon.
But we're going to call it a day and then see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna work on some carpet. Yeah.
Let's lay some carpet.
What kind of transition should we do? Transitions are overused. Psh, whatever. Jesus. Oh, man.
Is it okay?
You about broke the camera.
I don't know if I hold strength, I guess.
Let's try that again. So this here is our original carpet. Actually, not the original. This is the second carpet that was installed in there. The first one is that nasty orange one over there. That's even worse, believe it or not. This thing is disgusting. It's got so much nasty old stains and discoloration on it.
I really wish we could have salvaged it, because how ridiculous is this?
But luckily we can use this as our template for our new carpet. This is our new carpet, by the way, that we went with. It also kind of sucks having to put this on here because I don't want this nasty old carpet anywhere near our new carpet. But we didn't feel like transferring the template and doing it twice. So this is what we're doing. Our plan is actually to make this a little bit bigger and to cover more of the area in the front of the RV. Stay tuned, we'll report back and hopefully do some cutting today.
Yeah, we do not have enough to do this twice, so please, baby Jesus, help us out here.
Having fun in here?
Not at all. We made a terrible mistake not realizing we wanted to paint this.
Yeah. And now you're paying the price.
Yeah. The idea is I'm just going over everything with a light grit sandpaper. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
And then we have a gel stain, so at least it can be applied when it's up on the ceiling and it won't drip or anything. So once I get it sanded, it should go quickly from there.
By the way, do you want some goggles?
Yes, please. I was just about to ask for some.
Safety first, y'all.
Problem
You are
solved.
covered in dust.
Yeah, it's awful.
Okay, bye-bye. Having fun?
Oh no. 0 out of 10 would not recommend staining your overhead cab after it's applied.
Look at this situation we've got here.
So stupid. When I first started, I was sitting and I got so many cramps in my neck and my back. 'Cause this is how you can sit up here. And doing this, it sucked. So now I'm on my back. It's a little bit better. Still sucks.
You're gonna be sore
Oh yeah.
after this one.
But it's looking really good.
Yeah, it's getting there.
It's in there,
It
yeah.
must be done by you.
I'm all in, so it's getting done.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Progress update, you guys. We've actually done a lot, but we completely forgot to film everything because we were just kind of in the zone trying to figure it out. It's actually been really hard. You can see we've cut the general shape of the carpet. It's gonna look really nice if we can actually finish this. But what's been really difficult is just cutting the shapes for all this stuff down here. Because you have this thing here, there's the steering column, that's basically it, but also the contour of this. But we've kind of done it. We're piecing it together anyway, right? So that's gonna fit around like that. We're gonna button up all the edges and stuff. This is the previous floor mat, and we were able to kind of use this to get the general shape. It's not perfect, but it helped a bit at least. We are gonna try to reuse this original mat. It obviously needs to be cleaned up like crazy.
Yeah, but it's not so bad. Look at that little guy.
But this will cover up some of the imperfections in the carpet job that we're doing in here.
You guys, laying carpet, maybe in a normal room is not that hard, but with all these different contours, and I don't know why we decided to put it like all the way up around this, it's making our life kind of a living hell at the moment.
Yeah, we're kind of trying to overachieve on this. The old carpet didn't go all the way up here, but we want it to go and cover as much of the underbelly of the car as possible. Probably a bad idea, but whatever, this is what we're doing. We found this seaming tape that we're gonna use to cover up some of these seams. Then we also have this double-sided carpet grip tape that we've already done an adhesion test, works very well, but this is what's going to adhere the carpet down to the base of the vehicle. Yeah. There is also an attached pad under here if you're wondering why we aren't laying a pad. It's built in, check that out. All right, let's get seaming.
Oh God. Eric just realized what he said.
Should I bleep that out? Oh, God. Let's just
get
move
to
on.
Laying carpet. Gosh, you guys, we did it! It's finally done. This was a much bigger project than we had anticipated. We ended up going like up over the wheel wells and up into the under cab area. I'm not sure what you call that, under the dash, and really customized this carpet. I've never laid carpet before. Eric's done it, but it's been a long time, so it was really hard to get it around all of these items and get the cuts right. We had to seam it in a few places. Not the prettiest seams, but we did our best. I don't think anybody but us maybe would be able to tell.
Mm-hmm. You guys should be honest. Are you surprised with how well this turned out? I mean, I know you guys probably were thinking this is gonna look awful, but we're actually shocked. Like, that looks pretty good, huh?
We got like all the edges pretty much right on. The doghouse will obviously go over this and it'll cover, these are the only bad edges. We kind of just half-assed that part because we knew it would be covered up. But dang, y'all, I am very, very satisfied and very proud of us for doing this.
Nice job.
We did it.
Yeah. And now we're never going to eat or drink anything up here because we're keeping this carpet clean,
Can't
man.
even walk on it now. You gotta like hover when you're in this area.
Now the question is, what the heck are we gonna do with these chairs? We actually contemplated replacing them, getting some new ones, which we might ultimately do, but We can't even wrap our heads around that right now, so we're gonna keep these, you guys. But they're a little bit grimy, probably haven't been cleaned in maybe 2 or 3 decades, maybe. But I've got just the thing to whip these into shape. You guys, we've got the Bissell! Ha-ha!
The big green.
Yeah, we found this at Allison's parents' house.
I don't know that I've ever used one of these before. Hopefully we set it all up right.
Yeah, I know we made that sequence look like we knew what we were doing.
Yeah, but we don't know anything.
Right.
I'm
Turn it on.
assuming red button, you go, right?
Isn't there a power button first?
Oh, you turn it on. There you go. Oh God, is that what you do?
Yeah.
Y'all check this stuff out. Ew.
That is some dirty water.
Yeah.
Holy cow. It's like caked on the back of it.
Oh
Whoa.
my God.
Wow, dude, those seats were dirty. Well, I'm glad I'm not sitting on all this crud now.
Yep.
Although if we did that a second time, you'd probably, maybe not this bad, but you'd probably still have a lot more crud on there, but that's the best we can do for now.
Chairs are officially restored to their former glory. Maybe not quite.
Something like that.
But they are clean and they don't smell quite as weird.
Yeah.
But we gotta leave right now. Early. You know why?
Why?
Today's our anniversary!
That's right, it is.
We've been married a very long time. I don't know if you know this. It is our 13-year wedding anniversary and 18 years together.
There you go.
We've been together for more than half our lives. That's wild.
Another high five.
Yeah!
Yeah.
For love!
Yeah, we don't usually make a big deal of our anniversary.
No, but we're gonna use it as an excuse to maybe like get steak or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let's eat some steak.
Yeah! Steak-iversary! All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, wait.
We had an awesome little anniversary evening, you guys. Ate way too much, celebrated with a lot of wine. We were actually talking about how this time last year, when we had our anniversary, we were in the middle of quarantine. But you guys can go check out that video because we made a whole little video of us just doing nothing in quarantine.
Yeah, this year was nice to be a little more social.
Yeah.
We didn't venture too far, but
But as you saw on the little post-it board over there, we have gotten a bunch of stuff done since we last saw you guys. Basically, we finished this whole project.
yeah.
So we have all of the carpet installed, and I really like the look. We wanted it to just be kind of fresh, but still have kind of vibes of the old like 70s style. And I think this carpet accomplishes that. We also installed our new headliner, which we're super happy about. We went with a lighter color on that because we wanted to kind of brighten the whole area up a bit. In the last video, I guess we mentioned working on the doghouse or something. Everyone just assumed we were putting an actual doghouse in the RV. We didn't think to explain it. This is the doghouse. This is basically just a cover for the engine. This is what they did on older model vehicles. They don't really do this that much anymore, I don't think. But I guess it kind of looks like a doghouse. I don't know. Or you just keep the loud creature inside.
Yeah,
I don't
Eric
know.
was just using the lingo, and we didn't even think about it.
Yeah, I ended up putting some sound deadening stuff on the inside just to keep as much noise as possible trapped on the inside, and it's like automotive grade stuff, not the stuff that I put on the floor here, so it can handle tons of heat, shouldn't be falling off or anything like that. Chairs are nice and clean, they are reinstalled. We actually repainted the bottom down here. So they are nice, sparkly, like cream colored.
Yeah, don't look too close. They weren't perfect, but they're close enough.
They're covered with this stuff anyway, so it's all good.
We definitely have more to do in the cab area. We have to put back in the trim pieces, cover up all these holes and stuff like that. But we still have some more wires to run and everything, so it's not 100%. But we did also, I got the staining done for up here, and I think it looks pretty ding-dang nice.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
The whole
that
ceiling is done.
Yeah. You don't know how much time was put into staining these ones over these ones.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's
But
fine.
you did a great job, kid.
Thanks. But that is actually it for now. We're actually hitting the road again tomorrow.
Yeah, because
It is this little boy's birthday.
it's my birthday.
So we're gonna take a little trip without you guys.
Yes, we are. We always contemplate filming stuff like that because it's fun to take you guys along, but also it's nice to just feel like you have the whole time off.
Yeah,
Because
so
it's my birthday.
Taking a little break, but we're going out east through a little bit of Georgia and South Carolina. We're going to be doing a couple fun things out there. I think it'll only be a couple weeks that we'll be on the road, so don't worry, RV videos to return. But we just wanted to have a little alone time for his birthday. Goodbye, adventures.
We'll see you on the road.